My lovely audience, today I'm going to share with you an amazing thing. So today's topic is really very helpful to you, and this topic I'm going to tell you this time. So guys, I want to really and also share with you the importance of time. You also know very well, as you're a human being, you should know it well that we should use the proper way to learn English as well as to speak English. In time, I'm here today, and this is not a fixed time. I also figured it out that where's the importance of time, that if we don't work in time, so what will happen, what will we have to face in the future. That's why I thought that I'll share with you, and right now I'm sharing. I hope that you also listen up so carefully and gently so that you can learn a lot of things. First of all, I'm going to share with you an example like that. You would like to learn English, but you don't know that how to learn English and what's the importance of learning English. First of all, you will learn it that how to speak and how to speak with people, then you'll do it. Otherwise, you won't do it. When you know the profit of this language, then you can know it. When you're going to your business, you need to know the profit. That's why you are going as your merchant. Talking about time, that you study proper way as you are a student, so you need to think that we don't need to learn just for exam. We have to learn all the things detailsly. So that's why I'm saying you. Other way, if you say me that also, am I make blog video every single day or not? Yes, I also make video every single day in time. That's why I'm doing it, and I'm doing very well every single day. I'm learning, and this is a proper way. How can we also do it very well? I also suggest you guys that you should also learn English honestly in time. On time, you can do it very well. It's okay for you. But guys, if you don't do it, you'll fall in danger and you won't come here. You'll fall in depression. Then you'll be so disappointed. You cannot control yourself. Then how do you think like this way that we are doing very well? I hope that today's topic is really amazing as well as gold as precious thing. And you know that I'm Maliha binte Masood all the time share with you, and I'm also thinking that you'll also share with me. And just tell me in the comment box that is it really good for people, for human being, that time is very precious thing. We have to think it by our mind, and it also moving by me that really it is important. So that's why I have made this time. And remember one more thing, that time will never wait for anyone. You have to do it. If you offer the time, that gold, silver ring, or any kind of money, then money is important. If you offer anything in this world, this Dubai or any country, it will never stop. Thank you so much, and don't forget to follow Muwaj Maliha English Tour. Thank you so much.